Hi, I'm Ivan, and I'm going to show you my new Lego city. So this is the Chima place, but I don't have the Lego sets yet, so I'm going to get them. There's a crocodile, and there's two fish, there's a tree, there's a little plant there, there's the shark, there's a tiger, and there's a giraffe. And moving on to the Arctic place, here's Jimmy's car with the big trailer. There's Jaden in the water, and the fish is chasing him. And there's a lot of ice surrounding the water. Then let's move on to the big Lego city. There are two motorcycles. There is a museum, there's an animal eating grass, there's cars involved. Here's the criminal house, there's somebody's car, there are two police horses, there's a criminal where the jail is, and there's John, and there's the office, and there's a little tree, and there's mice. And that's the front, and then you can open the door. And inside, when you go inside, the whole thing is the police station. And when you go inside, you see Jimmy's video game thing. And there's Chase, and there's his helper, and there's two dogs. And those are all the cars. And there's your car right there too. So yeah, that's all.